A whole new era of free and open source design tools are emerging, beating Figma at its own game, providing all the design assets and resources for free, and also allowing you to integrate any AI tool and process into your workflow. The tool that is right now leading this is Brilliant. And when the founder connected with me, my mind was blown away by everything that this tool can do. Let's check out all the insane features as well as free stuff that it is able to do even better than Figma. As you can see, the interface looks extremely similar to that of Figma. The files at the top left, layers at the bottom as such. Even if I select something on screen, the properties on the right appear just like they would in Figma. The fill, the typography, everything pops up the same way and also works very similar. In fact, I would argue some of this is cleaner than what Figma has, less clutter. The founder tells me that they're doing this so that using this tool becomes easier. You don't have to learn a new tool from scratch. At the bottom is where all the magic is happening. As you can see, there is a toolbar at the bottom where the AI lies. Shows all your previous chats here and you can just drag it around while you are designing. So it's much better than having something stuck at the bottom. Here you can see Claude code already connected. I could connect any other AI and a bunch of others that are available. What's cool is that I can take it to a new page and just start with the wireframe or anything I want to create. Create a hero section for my travel website where there is a search bar asking users where they want to travel to, and has various tabs like flights, hotels, cabs, etc. Once that's done, I can quickly click on this blue arrow, and as you can see, it starts to generate each design element right here and lists it out. As you can see, it's working on the hero, it's working on the navigation, the logo, etc. And everything is happening in real time. You're not having to wait. Without waiting, you can just start editing the text, let's just say. Change the typography, everything in real time. Build us this nice wireframe and it looks like a wireframe. It doesn't look like a half-baked UI that a lot of other design tools are doing right now. Each element is, just like in Figma, designed like auto layout. So if you change the position, it will change the position of the other elements. If you add something, for example, hotels and homes, it will just increase the width of this element. Now, what if I wanted to quickly edit something or tweak something? It acts as an AI assistant live rather than just an AI starting point. So I can ask it to make this text more playful with a playful font. So not only will it change the font, but it also changed the language up, the style of the content up. A little more fun, as you can see. It was so quick, happening in real time. You can even check the changes that have happened, like so. It shows you the new font, the text, the size, everything, so that you can keep track from here and you don't have to always go to the properties panel. Now, what if I wanted to apply a new design system? Let's just say I want to apply Apple's design system here with glass and colors and everything. The Apple design system, you can even add say a link here of a custom design system. Apply all the styles to this wireframe. Awesome. And I can just press enter. A nice little purple animation pops up. And as you can see, things have started to change. The element style is changing. The colors are changing. As you can see, it started to add a nice little background and liquid glass elements, just as I had asked it to. On the top right, as you can see, design systems, you now have Apple HIG, which you can switch between Apple HIG or any other design system that you have saved. I did forget to mention a crucial point. It seamlessly integrates with Figma as well. So if you have a Figma design and you want to import it into our wonderful Brilliant, there's a very easy to use Figma plugin. Allow you to quickly just copy paste any designs from Figma into Brilliant in a second, and it's super simple. Just copy the frame and paste it here, or copy the frame from Brilliant and paste it into Figma. One really cool feature that takes it to the absolute next level are the custom keyboard shortcuts. So at the bottom bar right here, it says toggle keyboard shortcuts, and you can see all the keyboard shortcuts that they have. hundreds, if not thousands, for each and everything. You can even assign a custom shortcut from right here. So I can click on assigning custom shortcut, press whatever keys I want to on my screen, and as you can see, it sets it up right here as such. I can go back or I can record a new shortcut any point of time if I don't like it. And this also allows you to add automations to your design process or to your AI workflow. I can click on this little combos button, and this allows me to create custom combos. I've built a bunch here. Change tool to marker, set transparency to 60%, change tool to pencil, set size to 11, and I can assign a shortcut, say command Q, for example, and it'll bring up my marker. And I can add a new command, just search for whatever feature I like, for example, dark mode. So I can say apply dark theme, change color to gradient, add stroke width, and give this a custom name. Let's just say dark mode. And just say create, and it'll create a dark mode, which I can star, I can put it here, and it will apply right here, and I can set a custom shortcut. Super impressive. An extensive tool like this allows you to create your own shortcuts, your own automations out of the gate. Is much better than downloading a bunch of plugins and then relying on them. Now, this tool comes with custom file management, all managed and saved on your own machine locally. So you don't have to depend on a cloud or anything. You can self-host it. You can apply it into your own cloud and everything. And here, as you can see, all of those files and folders lie. So I can create a new folder altogether, say travel project. I can right click, new canvas, new folder under this. So I can create a subfolder like colors. Maybe I can say colors. And here, if I right click, I can say reveal in Finder. And this will really reveal inside the Finder window on my Mac. If you're using Windows, it will appear inside Windows. You can duplicate this folder as well, collapse it. You can even see that there's a custom styles folder that has all your design systems laid out. So you can import hundreds of design systems all across the world and apply it inside the styles folder. And it will have this .styles file format. Or I can quickly just go into canvas.design and see my design system live right here as well. All locally stored as I had earlier mentioned. Now, this is automatically created. If you've created a new design system, it appears all here in this sort of a nice, clean, organized format like a normal design system looks. What's cool is that Brilliant acts as an MCP server as well as an MCP client. So you can connect any tool that offers an MCP server, Notion, Slack, Claude Code, Figma, whatever tool offers an MCP server, you can connect it to Brilliant and add your existing workflow to it seamlessly. Now, what's amazing is that it doesn't charge you for anything. All of this I showed you is free. The only thing it charges you is to connect this tool to AI tools. So as long as you're using all the design features, 100% free. Guys, check out Brilliant. The link is in the description as usual. And I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care. God bless.